just the CMYK orange and violet, you are able to hit 97% of the Pantone book within a delta E of 2 or below. Thanks to the Flexo stations, that enables you to hit 100% of the Pantone. If you have a specific color like a green, which is difficult to achieve on any press, you can simply run that green with your Flexo station. The beauty of the full integration of the Mark Andy Digital Series machine and the architecture of the press means we can have the rail traversing the whole length of the press. So this means if you want cold foil down first, as we had with the first job you saw, you can take the cold foil from print station 1 or traverse it all the way to print station 6, 7, or 8. Being fully modular, you could start with just a simple digital engine, roll to roll. You could add 1 Flexo, 2 Flexo, as many Flexo stations as you want. You could add your die station, a vertical semi-rotary, a vertical full rotary, a semi-rotary QC-DC, or full rotary QC-DC. You could add cold foil. You could add hot stamping. You can add embossing. You can add all those requirements and upgrade your press as your business grows. The Mark Andy Digital Series HD, being fully modular, enables you to be future-proof and grow your business as your business grows for you. So you see here, Michael is just bringing, Greg, sorry, is just bringing through the polypropylene. And there he goes with the next job. So it's a 88 to 90% opacity white, single pass at true production speeds. Michael will now set up the QC-DC. Here is reteaching the sensor. The previous material was a white material with a blue master mark. He's now setting up the silver material, reteaching the sensor so it follows a white mark. The beauty of the Digital Series HD, because it's fully created and made by Mark Andy, we have full control now and in the future. Because of the design, we are fully integrated from the software to the controls to the hardware. You have options where the Flexo can follow the digital can follow the Flexo. You have second pass if you want to run, say, for example, first pass with versioning variable data, laminate your second web, put it back through the press and print on the top web. It's ideal for promotions, security work, so on and so forth. So Michael will now take up the skeletal matrix. I can see in the background Greg looking at me because I keep calling him Michael. Here he's just taking the matrix up to the advanced waste wind up. Now the press can be fitted with a standard vertical waste wind up or the advanced waste wind up as you see here within this video. So that's it. Within a few minutes, Greg has managed to change over from a polypropylene 50 micron to a silver polypropylene 50 micron. Here you see the job. You would believe that was a white substrate rather than a digital white on a silver substrate. So following this stream here, we are going to go over to our Mark Andy Digital Pro 3, which is a 13-inch CMYK toner press. So there we have it, 73 meters a minute, heavy coverage white. If you'd like more information about the Mark Andy Digital Series or any of the other machines you'll see here today, please send it into our Q&A. Following the presentations, we'll try and answer as many questions as possible, or we'll reach out to us and we can come back to you with your answers. If you'd like to see any of the samples we're running today, again, just reach out to us at marketing and we'll be more than happy to help you. So there we go. Thank you very much for watching the Digital Series HD.
Hi, my name is Urszula Lewandowska. I'm the production manager here in Artibau. We are a strictly inkjet digital label print house based just outside of Wrocław, Poland. We started in 2012 on approximately 85 square meters. Now we have just finished the construction of our new 1400 square meters headquarters. From the beginning, it has been our philosophy to teach our customers the benefits of digital inkjet labels, but at some point we have decided that it's not enough for us and also for our customers. So in 2016 we have bought Markendi Digital Series. We were the first company in Europe to do that. It allowed us to produce labels with various varnishes, cold stamping, peel-off labels within a few working days, which gave us an incredible advantage. Now we have bought a second Markendi Hybrid HD, and now we can produce labels even faster in an even better quality, and yeah, that's basically it.
My name is Dominik Głowacki. I'm the owner of MD Labels. Company MD Labels was established 2017. We bought first Markendi Digital Series 5 years ago and start this business. As we had a lot of orders for digital premium labels, we decided a few months ago to buy second Markendi Digital HD versions. Once you have two Markendi Digital Series hybrid machines, you can easily satisfy your customers' needs on demand.